The idea behind LockOut TagOut is fairly simple. The object is to disable a machine while it's being serviced by isolating it from a source of power, or energy source, so it can't injure anyone who is working on or around it. To do this, locks, tags, and other mechanisms are placed on energy isolation devices, such as electrical switch boxes and valves. The lockout step shuts off or isolates the machine's source of energy. Tagging the machine tells other people the type of work that is being performed on the machine. Situations where lockout tagout procedures should be used include repairing circuits, cleaning and lubricating parts, clearing jammed mechanisms, rebuilding equipment, and performing machine setup. So that employees will know how to deal with these situations safely, the OSHA LockOut TagOut regulations call for all facilities to implement an energy control program. This must include a written LockOut TagOut program consisting of two major components: LockOut TagOut procedures for all of the powered equipment and machinery in the facility, and a plan for training employees on these procedures.